Hello, today we will watch an animal attack. Don't forget to share the video.
Okay.
Oh shit, bro.
Oh shit! No fucking way, give me my ball.
Ew, he's ugly.
That's cute.
Damn, did I say something?
You just said it's ugly. They have.
Okay, fine.
My face, dude!
The question is, what was he chasing?
This thing just pulled that out of its neck.
How can this insect kill the bird?
No! What? Oh gosh, no! No! Literally puts his head and eats out of it.
That's so cool.
Oh fuck! Oh yeah, fuck, that was crazy.
He's like all the way in the trash can. What if he gets trapped? Oh my gosh, the babies. Oh gosh.
Oh my god, this mouse is so huge.
My boy. О, блядь, автобус сбил. Ёлки.
Oh my. This is the first time in my life that I want foxes to be this peaceful.
Good morning, sweetheart. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 of yous. It's just as well I've got 8 sausage rolls in, isn't there? Eh? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't get fight over them. There's one each. 7. And last but not least, there you go, furry face.
I hope you have fun watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, make the like button, and spread the channel everywhere until we reach the dream. 1 million subscribers to meet.